new summer update. The brand new summer update is going to drop in all the new codes, summer codes. There's some new leaks. We actually got Socherolo uploaded the summer teaser with a very weird thumbnail. The thumbnail was actually a volleyball. Why is it volleyball? The Crab Rave update. Wait, why is there volleyballs? There's volleyball in the update. This is not Volleyball Legends. So this is the update picture, like guys, like update picture. Why is there volleyballs? Why is there volleyballs? With all the new codes, be sure to actually sub up for future codes. We got NLE Rio. What did I miss? What did I miss? What did I miss? Sub up for future codigos. This is exactly the first code I showed to redeem is the NLE Oreo code. N-E-L-O-E-R-O. Oreo! Exclamation point. If you do need yourself a extra slot in Blue Logs, you can get extra slot in Blue Logs today, right now. Comment down below summer. If you comment down below summer, I'll be choosing 3 winners for extra slots. The only thing that you need to do is comment down below summer to get yourself some free extra slots for abilities or styles or whatever you want. You can get an extra slot inside of Blue Logs to store these overpowered champions inside of the new update. Summer. That is a upcoming code. This is going to be the upcoming code. Of course, there will be a Crab Rave. Fryshiiro. Wait, they're going to add Fryshiiro. Wait, I'm not gonna say his name. MCNAGI FRYSHIRO is coming. We be eating good. MCNAGI FRYSHIRO. It's gonna drop. Volleyball Rivals is crazy. Indeed, we already have Volleyball Legends. They're trying to steal Volleyball Legends. So this is going to be the new character. Why are they playing with their watermelons? Why are they playing with the watermelons? Can somebody explain to me why they're playing with the watermelonies? Ronaldo